Hi everyone and welcome to our guide on branding your MSI package with Advanced Installer. Today we'll explore how custom logos can significantly boost your product's market presence. With Advanced Installer's features, embedding your logo becomes an integral part of the installation experience, leaving a lasting impression on users. I've already created an MSI package project in Advanced Installer and added the build output of a Windows Forms app solution. Now, join me as we navigate through the various branding options. Let's begin by adding logos to the installer dialogs to create an unforgettable first impression. Navigate to the Themes page and select a theme from the list. I'll be using the classic Aero theme for this tutorial. The key to branding lies in customizing the dialog bitmap and banner bitmap of the dialogs with your logo images. I've prepared some images with a logo for this purpose, which I'll apply to dialog bitmap and banner bitmap. Advanced Installer supports various formats including SVG, BMP, JPEG or JPG. With these changes, the dialogs now feature my logo, elevating the visual branding of the installer. Next, let's dive into creating and personalizing a tile for the Start menu, an essential element in enhancing your application's visibility. To create a tile in Advanced Installer, navigate to the Tiles page. Right-click on the application tiles and then select New Application Tile. In the Open dialog, select your executable and click OK. With our tile ready, let's customize it. Choose its color from a range of standard options or define your own custom one. Decide whether to display the application's name on the medium tile. The name will be the name of the application's shortcut file from the Start menu if it exists. If not, it will be the executable file name. Additionally, opt for a dark or light text color on the tile. For the tile logo, you have two options. You can use the application's icon if the executable has one. The icon from the executable is extracted and is used for the app icon and for pinning to taskbar. The second option is to opt for custom icon, but ensure you have both small and medium versions for full compatibility. For those who choose to use a custom icon, the asset generator is your ally. It converts any image file into all necessary formats for Windows, supporting a wide range of image types from raster formats like PNG or JPEG to vector formats like SVG. Its capability to handle SVG files is particularly noteworthy, allowing for scalable, high-quality logos that adapt flawlessly to any size requirement. Desktop shortcuts are essential for quick access to software. To set up a desktop shortcut with a custom logo, here's what you need to do. Navigate to the application folder, right-click on the executable, and choose New Shortcut to installed file. Specify the desktop folder as the location for the shortcut. Within the display section, choose an icon for the shortcut and you are all set. Now, let me show you how to add a shortcut to the Start menu. We need to follow the same steps as with the desktop shortcut, but instead of selecting the desktop folder, we will choose the Start menu folder. Once you've set up your desktop shortcut for easy software access, let's enhance your application visibility in the System Add Remove program list. Here's how you can do it. Navigate to the Product Details page, and within the Add or Remove Programs section, select the image logo from your disk. This image will appear in the Control Panels list. Now it's time to build the project and run the MSI to see our customizations in action. First, you'll notice the logo displayed on the installation dialogs, showcasing our brand from the start. Notice the desktop shortcut now bearing our logo, offering quick access to the app. Moving to the control panel, we've enhanced our app's presence by incorporating the logo. Similarly, in the Start menu, the app is represented with its logo, and this branding is further reinforced when the app's shortcut is pinned to the taskbar. So by using Advanced Installer, we've crafted an installation experience that is visually engaging and effectively communicates our brand's quality to users. For more guides and tutorials, visit the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or check out the Advanced Installer blog.